Everybody, thanks for tuning in. My name is Nate Hoke. I'm over here at Premier Truck Group South Dallas, and today I want to show you one of my 2024 International LT625 day cabs. This one is equipped with 50,000 miles, A26 Navistar engine, 430 horsepower, steel wheels on them, top fairing for doing local, intermodal, or day cab reefer. You've got two 80-gallon tanks, original rubber on these tires, 285 rears, pulled by an Eaton 12-speed Endurant. You have a sliding fifth wheel axle, and the cab to axle is going to be 102 for any special operations out there. Inside, you have a digital dash. This unit, 50,000 miles. Everything's pretty easily accessible. Visibility is really nice in this truck. Took it for a test drive this morning. Drives really well. 177 wheelbase. Each of these trucks is equipped with warranty going for 5 years, 350,000 miles. So feel free to give us a shout. We'll make a deal for you.